Class 3 English revision of Chapter 11 Folk Tales from India. The wrestler who could carry a hill. King Nandan was watching the annual wrestling championship. Tall men with wide shoulders and bulging muscles stood on a large field. Each match was a test of strength and skill. Two men would walk into a place marked by white chalk. They would then grab and push each other till one of them could pin the other down on the ground and keep him there. By evening, a wrestler called Bhim had defeated the others. He was declared the winner. He wore a short dhoti, which his body was glowing with the oil he had applied, so he could slip out of the hands of those he wrestled with. He bowed to the king and said, "Your Majesty, I am Bhim. I have come from a kingdom far away. I am so strong I can even carry a hill on my head. I have come here to ask for a job." The king liked to have strong men in his army, so he gave Bhim a job. किंग नंदन वार्षिक रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप देख रहे थे। सभी प्रतिभागी के ताकत की परीक्षा ली जा रही थी। शाम तक भीम नामक रेसलर ने सभी को हरा दिया था और उसे विजेता घोषित किया जा चुका था। उसने राजा के सामने नतमस्तक होकर कहा, "महाराज, मैं भीम दूर देश से आया हूँ। मैं इतना ताकतवर हूँ कि मैं पहाड़ी को भी अपने सर पर लाद कर ले जा सकता हूँ। मैं यहाँ काम की तलाश में आया हूँ।" राजा को ताकतवर लोग अपनी सेना में पसंद थे, तो वे भीम को काम पर रख लिए। A few months later, King Nandan's subjects came to him asking for help. They cried, "Your Majesty, the wild animals of the hill next to our village attack us every day. The tigers roar so loudly near our houses at night that our children start crying. Please protect us, Your Majesty." King Nanda raised his hand and everyone was quiet. He told them he would take care of everything. As the villagers left, King Nandan called Bhim. He said, "Bhim, the time has come to protect the people of our kingdom. We must go to the hill tomorrow morning. Carry the hill to another kingdom." Bhim bowed low and said, "As you wish, Your Majesty." Next morning, the king took Bhim along with his courtiers and soldiers to the hill. The villagers gathered around to watch. Bhim stretched and looked around. The king said, "Go on, Bhim." Bhim bowed and said, "Your Majesty, I said I could carry a hill, and I will, but I cannot pick up the hill. Please ask your soldiers to place it on my head and shoulders. Then I will carry it." The king knew he had been tricked by the wrestler. He silently rode back to his court. कुछ महीने बाद राजा के प्रजा लोग उनसे मदद मांगने के लिए आए और कहा कि पहाड़ी के जानवर हर दिन हमारे गांव में अटैक करते हैं, कृपया हमें बचाइए। राजा ने भीम को बुलाया और कहा, "हमारी प्रजा को बचाने का समय आ गया है। कल चलेंगे पहाड़ी को दूसरे देश में रखने।" भीम ने कहा, "ठीक है।" दूसरे दिन सभी भीम को देखने इकट्ठा हुए। राजा ने कहा, "जाओ भीम।" भीम ने नतमस्तक होकर कहा, "महाराज, मैंने कहा था मैं पहाड़ी को ढो सकता हूँ और मैं वैसा ही करूँगा, पर मैं उसे उठा नहीं सकता। कृपया कर आप अपने सिपाहियों को कहें कि वे इस पहाड़ी को मेरे सर पर रख दें, फिर मैं उसे उठा लूँगा। अब तक राजा ये समझ चुके थे कि भीम ने उनको ठगा है। वे चुपचाप अपने दरबार की ओर चल पड़े। Okay children, this was the revision. Go through it nicely and learn the meanings.